Everyone, I welcome you all to this class. This is mathematics class, and in this class we want to solve um, this question under this topic: sum and product of roots of a quadratic equation. We have done the introductory part. We have actually gotten the formula in our last video. We got the formula we can use to find the sum of roots of a given quadratic equation and product of roots of a given quadratic equation. We want to use the knowledge to solve this very problem. They say that if alpha and beta are the roots of this quadratic equation, 2x squared minus 7x minus 3 equals to 0, we have to find the values of question I. We want to find the value of alpha squared plus beta squared. So let's just solve question I first. Solution. Question I, alpha squared plus beta squared. So I'll write it as alpha plus beta all squared minus 2 alpha beta. Because if you expand this alpha plus beta all squared, if you expand this, what will you get? Alpha squared plus 2 alpha beta plus beta squared. Then by the time you minus this 2 alpha beta from it, you are going to get back this alpha squared plus beta squared, because this can cancel this. You have your alpha squared plus beta squared. So this alpha squared plus beta squared can be written like this. So quickly, this will be equal to, this is sum of the roots, right? So this thing we did here is to write the expression in terms of what? Sum of roots and product of roots. So because that's the only way you can solve it. So we have gotten this first expression. Inside here we have sum of roots. We have what? Product of roots here. So that's the major thing here. So what's the sum of roots? Sum of roots, the formula I gave you is negative b divided by what? A. So b is the, so this will be, that's negative into, let's just have it like this, divided by a. Okay, let me just have it like this. Then what is your b? Your b is the coefficient of what? X. What's the coefficient of x here? Coefficient of x here is negative 7. So my b is negative 7. Remember, this negative I wrote here is this negative I have here before. Then divided by, what is your a? Your a is the coefficient of x squared. That is your 2. So my a is 2. So negative, negative, positive, 7 divided by 2. So 7 divided by 2 is the sum of the roots. Then you are having alpha plus beta all squared, right? That's sum of root all squared minus 2 alpha beta. So we need the product of roots, right? Product of roots, I gave you the formula. The formula is c divided by a. C is the constant you have. What is the constant? Negative 3. Divided by a is the coefficient of x squared. That is what? 2. Negative 3 divided by 2. So this will be equal to, if you distribute this index on 7 and 2, you have 7 squared is 49. 2 squared is 4. Then minus, okay, negative 2 times negative 3 over 2. Let me have this as positive 6 over 2. So this will be equal to, what's the LCM for? LCM of 2 and 4 is what? 4. So you have 49. Because 4 divide 4 will give you 1 times 49. You have 49. Come here, 2 divide 4 will give you what? 2 times 6. You get what? 12. So if you add, what will you get? If you add, you get 61 over 4. So the answer to this question, I is 61 over 4. So the next thing we are going to do is to solve the next question. Question I. They told you to find the value of alpha raised to power 3 plus beta raised to power 3. Alpha raised to power 3 plus beta raised to power 3 will be equal to alpha plus beta multiplying by alpha plus beta squared minus 3 alpha beta. So this is the formula you are going to use. 3 alpha beta. So if you expand this, you are going to get back the same thing. You have a alpha raised to power 3 plus beta raised to power 3. So let's just follow what I've written down there. So this will be, what is alpha plus beta? We have gotten it. That's sum of roots. We got sum of roots before now. 7 over 2 into here sum of roots all squared. That's 7 over 2 squared minus 3 times alpha beta. We got alpha beta. That's product of roots when we are solving the first one as negative 3 over 2. So this will be equal to 7 divided by 2 into, if you distribute this index on 7 and 2, you have what? 7 squared is 49, 2 squared is 4. Then negative 3 times negative 3 over 2 will give you positive 9 over 2. So this will be 7 over 2 into, so what's the LCM? LCM of 4 and 2 is what? LCM of 4 and 2 is what? 4. So if you 4 divide 4 1 times 49, you have 49 plus 2 divide 4 2 times 9, 18. So let's continue the solving here. Let's continue the solving here. So this will be 7 divided by 2 into, if you add, you are going to get what? You do 49, then 8, then this plus this, you have what? 17, then this plus this 5, 67. So you have 67 over 4. So if you multiply, you have 7 times 67 divided by 2 times 4 is 8. So 67 times 7, 49, you have 9. This times this is 42, plus 4, 46. So you have 469 divided by 8. So this is what you are going to get. So the next one is the last question, right? The last question. Question I. Alpha minus beta raised to power 2 will be equal to alpha plus beta squared minus 4 alpha beta. So this is what you are going to get. Remember, we have gotten sum of roots. Alpha plus beta, we got it as 7 over 2 when we were solving before. That's this, sum of roots, 7 over 2, 7 over 2 squared minus 4. Alpha beta, we got it before, negative 3 over 2. And this will give us what? If you distribute the square on 7 and 2, you have 7 squared 49, 2 squared 4. Then negative 4 times negative 3 over 2, you are going to get what? Positive 12 over 2. So LCM is what? 4. 4 divide 4 1 times 49, plus 2 divide 4. 2 divide 4 is what? 2 times 12, 24. So So when you add this, you do when you add 49 and this 24, then you get your answer, then divided by what? 4. So this 49 plus 24 divided by 4, if you simplify further, that will give you the result of this very question. So thank you so much for being part of this video. I'm expecting you in our next class. We are going to solve more examples. Thank you so much.